Hello my dear students, we will learn again today statistics, find the mean by direct method part 2. Exercise 14a, Emboss Maths class 10, look at question number 5. The mean of the distribution is 24, find the value of p. So first we have to write the question in vertical form. So I have written here already. So marks is here, number of students here. And then we have to find the class mark and then we have to find the product. So see how to find class mark. In the previous lesson I explained. Today see again to find the class mark. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So 0 plus 10 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So class mark here is 5. And then next line we can do shortcut. See, upper limit minus lower limit. 10 minus 0. It is what? 10. That is the class size. We add class size with the first class mark. So class size is 10. Add here 10. 5 plus 10. It is 15. We get the next class mark. Add again 10. 15 plus 10. 25. Then 25 plus 10 is 35. The next class mark. 35 plus 10 is 45, the next class mark. And now is we will find the product. Class mark in symbol it is xi, we write here, and number of students in symbol it is fi. So we multiply fi by xi, that is our product. So we write here fi into xi. So multiply 15 by 5, it will be 75. Then 20 by 15, it will be 300. Then 35 multiplied by 25, it will be 875. So you can multiply this 35 by 25 separately to get it. Then p into 35, it will be 35p. Let us write this little outside like this. And then 10 into 45 is 450. This is, and remember the formula by direct method, mean x bar is equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So we need to find sigma fi xi. So here is our fi xi. So if we add all of this, we will get sigma fi xi. Sigma meaning sum of sum. So sum of all fi xi we add here. So see the addition. This 35p will be separate. It will be like this 35p, and these numbers if we add we will get here 17. See, so 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 5 is 0, carry 1. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 7 is 20. 0, carry 2. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 3, 17. It is 1700. And add this number of students. This is sigma fi. Here is the values of fi for every class interval. So adding this we get sigma fi. Then p will be separate, right, like this, plus p. Then these numbers if we add 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8, 80 plus p. And then these values we will put in the formula. So here is our formula. Then see, the value of mean is given in the question. The mean of the distribution is 24. So value of mean is given here. So we write here 24 is equal. We have to find the value of p. So this p value will come. Let us see how. Put the value of sigma fi xi from here. It is 1700 plus 35p by, put the value of sigma fi, it is 80 plus p. So now do the cross multiplication. So here suppose we take 1, this side multiply this by 1, it is 1700 plus 35p is equal, this side multiply, this 24 multiplied by 80, it will be 1920 plus 24 into p is 24p. Now to find the value of p, keep the p left side. So it is 35p bring this 24p left side, it will be minus 24p, and the number right side 1920, take it right side, it will be 1700. Then subtract 35p minus 24p, it will be 11p is equal, here subtract, it will be 220. Then to find the value of p will be 220 divided by this 11. So we will get, I write here, p value will be 20. This 220 divided by 11, it will be 20 only. So that is our value of p. Question is find the value of p. We can write here the answer. That is p is 20. And look the question number 6. Look question number 6. The similar question, if the mean of the distribution is 54, here the value of mean is given 54, we have to find the value of p, the similar question. So write the class interval and frequency in vertical column. So already I have written. So we need to find class mark and the products. So C for class mark. How we do, already we explained. 0 plus 20 is 20. Divided by 2, it will be 10. And for the next class marks, we do the shortcut way. 20 minus 0, it is 20. So class size is 20. So we add here 20 to get the next class mark. So 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 20 is 50, plus 20 is 70, plus 20 is 90. So these are the class marks. And now we have to write the product. So class marks in symbol is xi, right here xi, and frequency in symbol is fi, right here fi. So when we multiply fi by xi, this line we will multiply by this line. So this is our product fi into xi. So let us multiply 7 by 10, it is 70, and then p into 30, it is 30p, then 10 into 50, it is 500, and then 9 into 70, it is 630, and 13 into 90. 13 into 90 will be 1170. 13 into 90. So now we have to think our formula mean. By direct method, mean x bar is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So we need to find the value of sigma fi xi. It means we have to add all the values of this fi xi. So here is sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi meaning is sum of all fi xi. So here are the values of fi xi, so we add them. So this 30p, it remain outside like this, plus 30p, and these numbers we will add. By adding, we will get here 2370, and then we will add this frequency fi. So we will get here sigma fi, sum of all fi. So this p will be outside c plus p, and the numbers we will add. 3 plus 9 12 plus 7 is 19, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 39 plus p, and then this value we will put in the formula. So see here, the value of mean is given in the question. This is 54. So we write for mean is 54 is equal, the sigma fi xi value here is 2370 plus 30p, and then sigma fi value is here 39 plus p. And now to find the value of p from here, we will do the cross multiplication. Here is 1, suppose multiply this side first. So it will be 54 into 39. 54 into 39, it will be 2106. 2106. You can multiply it separately. Then plus 54 into p, it is 54p. is equal, this side multiply, it means multiply this by 1, the same will remain. It is 2370 plus 30p. Now to find the value of p from here, what shall we do? We keep the p left side and the numbers right side. So this 54p, bring it left side, 30p, it will be minus 30p is equal 2370, and take this 2106 to right side, it is minus 2106. Then or here subtracting we get 24p is equal 2370 minus this 2106. It will be 610, this 4, then 6, then 2. It will be 264. So 24p equal 264. Then what will be the value of p? P is equal 264 divided by this 24. So if we divide, we get it, can write here p is equal 24 into 1, 24, and then again 1. So it will be 11. So value of p is 11. That is the answer. The question is find the value of p. So p value is what? 11. So next question, one more question we will try to do. Question number 8. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 57.6 and the sum of the observation is 50. Find the missing frequencies f1 and f2. So first work, write the question in vertical line. So already written, and look here, these two lines are given in the question. Now we need to do class mark and products. So let us see here the frequency. Class interval 0-20 frequency here is 7, and class interval 20 to 40 frequency is f1. This value we have to find. And then 40 to 60 it is frequency 12, 60 to 80 is f2, and others are 8 and 5. So we have to find the value of this f1 and f2. Then first work, to do the class mark. Already I explained about the class mark. So 0 plus 20 divided by 2, it is what? 10. And next will be 20 minus 0. So class size will be 20. So add 20, 10 plus 20, 30 plus 20, 50 plus 20, 70 plus 20, 90 plus 20 is 110. Now the product fi xi. So frequency is fi and class mark is xi. So multiply this 7 by 10, it is what? 70. And then f1 by 30, it is 30 f1. I write little outside like this, f1. And then 12 by 50, it is 600. And then f2 by 70 multiply, it is 70 f2. That also I write little outside. Then 8 into 90 is 720. And then 5 into 110, it is 550. Now if you add all this fi xi, it will be sigma fi xi. So for addition, what shall we do? This 30 f1 and 70 f2, we will write it separate, they cannot be added, plus 70 f2, they will not be added with the numbers. So add these numbers, it will be 1940. And look here, the frequency in the same way, this f1 and f2, it will be separate. We write here f1 plus what? f2. Then these numbers we have to add. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 7 is 22. Here is 2 and carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 32. 32 plus f1 plus f2. This is given. And now see, here is written sum of the observation is 50. Sum of the observation meaning sigma fi. That is our 50. So we can write here, this is 50. 50 is equal 32 plus f1 plus f2. Then here you see 50, bring this 32 left side, it will be 50 minus 32 is equal f1 plus f2. The next line is 50 minus 32 is 18 is equal f1 plus f2. Then this equation we just change, we write this f1 plus f2 is equal what? 18. That is our number 1. We can give equation number 1. And now we will think the formula for mean. So let us think for the formula for mean. So what is the formula for mean? We know mean is equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So by direct method, now the value of mean is given in the question 57.6. So we write here, so mean value is 57.6 is equal the sigma fi xi, the value is here. So we write here the value for sigma fi xi 1940 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2. This is sigma fi xi, and then sigma fi meaning the total observation. So total observation value is given in the question 50. So we write here direct 50. Sigma fi value direct 50. Now we do the cross multiplication. So let us multiply. Suppose here is 1. This side multiply. We will get what? Multiply this by 1. This same will come 1940. So let us adjust the paper. So this multiply by 1, it will be 1940 plus 30 f1 plus 70 f2 is equal 57.6 multiplied by 50. So it will be 288 then 0 0. So after decimal there is one number, so our decimal will be here. So multiply 576 by 50, it will be 28800. Then decimal is here, so after decimal this 0. And now is here we give this 30 f1 plus 70 f2 is equal, keep it left side, and this is 2880. 0.0 no value, we write like this. Then take it right side, 1940, it will be minus 1940, or this is 30 f1 plus 70 f2 is equal, subtract here 2880 minus 1940, it will be 940. And see, now we can do one thing, divide all the terms by 10. See, all the terms we can divide by 10. So let us divide them by 10. It will be simple only, 3f1. See, divide by 10. This also divide by 10. It will be 7f2. This also divide by 10. It will be 94. So this is our equation number 2. Now solve equation 1 and equation 2. Automatic the value of f1 and f2 will come. So see, what shall we do? Look here in number 2, coefficient of f1 is 3 and number 1 coefficient of f1 is 1. So we have to make same coefficient in both the places. So number 1 we will multiply by this 3. By this 3 we will multiply number 1. So we write here multiplying one by 3, and number 2 we will multiply with the coefficient of f1 in number 1. It is 1 only. So multiplying 2 by 1 only. So what we get after multiplying this by 3? So let us write it here. Okay, I write it here, this part. So multiply this by 3, it is 3f1 plus 3f2 is equal 3 into 18 is 54, and number 2 multiplied by 1, it will remain same. This is 3f1 plus 7f2 is equal what is 94, and now we subtract them. Here is, so change the sign, minus, here is minus, here is minus. So 3f1 plus 3f1 minus, they will cancel. Then 3f2 plus 7f2 minus, subtract them. So 4f2 bigger is minus, it is minus, is equal, here 54 minus 94. So subtract 54 from 94, it is 40, and bigger number is minus, so it is minus 40. This minus and minus we can cancel, so we get f2 is equal this 40 divided by 4. So we will get here what is 10, and put this value of 10. Now putting f2 is equal 10 in number 1. So in number 1, take this number 1, f1 plus f2, f1 plus f2 is equal 18. So or f1 plus value of f2 is 10, right here 10 is equal 18, or f1 is equal 18, take this 10 right side, minus 10. So we can write therefore f1 is equal 8. The question is find the value of f1 and f2. So f1 is 8 and f2 is 10. We can write the answer separately. f1 equal 8 and f2 is equal what is 10. And that is the end of the sum. So in this way we can find the value of f1 and f2. Question number is 9 is similar question. You can try. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you, my dear students.